Welcome guys in our civil engineering concept channel. So today's our topic is the properties of material in structural mechanics. Elasticity, plasticity, malleability, ductility, brittleness and toughness. I will teach you in different manner that will help you to remember those properties for a long time. First is the elasticity. Suppose you kept a rubber band in your fingers and stretch it in a different direction. As soon as you release those rubber band, it will get its original size, shape and dimensions. That's called as the property of elasticity. In case of plasticity, suppose you can take a simply supported beam and apply a point load at its center. After some time, this beam get some deflection at the center part due to the application of point load, and as you release those load, but beam cannot get its original shape because the properties of plasticity. In this next image, you will clarify the difference between elasticity and plasticity, this rubber band and pin. So standard definition of elasticity and plasticity is that the elasticity is the ability of body to resist a distortion, influence or stresses, return to its original size and shape when stress is removed. Example is a rubber band. And definition of the plasticity is that the ability of material to undergoes or permanent deformation without breaking or rupturing, means the opposite of the brittleness, that is the metal bar. So malleability. Malleability, simply suppose a golden stone or golden plate you hammered by a hammer in number of times, and this golden stone is converted into thin sheet. This property is called as malleability. Gold is the most malleable material. Malleability is the property to substance get converted into number of thin sheets. Aluminum is a good example of malleability. That's why we use the aluminum foils to protect our food. Aluminum and copper are a good example of malleable property. So what is meant by ductility? Ductility is simply the ability of material to deform under the tensile loads, that is the percentage of elongation. These are the copper wires drawn into thin wires. Standard definition of malleability and ductility is that the malleability is the ability of material to be flattened into thin sheets under the application of heavy compressive forces without cracking by hot or cold working means. So we know gold is done in a hot climate. Ductility is the ability of material to deform under a tensile load, that is the percentage of elongation, and copper wire are the examples of ductility. So next property is the brittleness. Brittleness, the good example is the chalk we use for writing in a blackboard. Chalk is the brittle material. And toughness. So in this diagram I will show you or clear the difference between toughness and brittleness. First diagram indicates the toughness. There is one steel rod kept between the machines, and application of hammer is applied on that rod. Rod gets slightly bent without the breakage, that is called as the toughness. Toughness is the property who absorb the shocks or impact on the material without getting the breakage. On the other side, brittle material, same rod is fixed in these machines, and when you apply the hammers on this rod, but the rod get breakage without giving any significant sign or warning. This is the impact due to the hammer. This bar is getting breakage, that is called as brittle property. So standard this is the toughness. In toughness, standard test is carried by you object of steel or cast iron or any bronze or any material is fixed in the machine, and specific amount of hammer is applied in specific speed on specific height, and the breakage or bend down is indicate the toughness of the member. So what is the definition of toughness? Toughness is the ability of material to absorb energy or withstand shocks, to deform without rupturing or breaking. That is the toughness. A material resistance to the fracture or when stressed. That is the combination of strength and plasticity. So definition of brittleness is that the ability of material to be break or shatter without significant deformation when under the stresses. That is the brittleness is totally opposite of the plasticity. So look at the environment and think about the examples of the brittleness. There is a glass, concrete, cast iron and ceramic tiles also. So our bonus point is that in RCC structure we use the steel bars or reinforcement is the steel. There are basic two types of steel, that is the mild steel and torch steel. Fe 250 is the mild steel and Fe 415 and Fe 500 that is the torch steel. Torch steel is more stronger than mild steel because it contain carbon content is more than the mild steel. As carbon content increases, strength of the member increases, but ductility of the member or flexibility of the member get decreases. That means Fe 250 bar are more flexible but less stronger, and Fe 500 bar are more stronger but less flexible. So guys, stay tuned with our channel. Thank you so much. We see you soon.